Alright guys, we're here at River Mill Park. I'm out here with Corey and this handsome gentleman back here, Mr. QC guy. And we just got here and we're eating some donuts and trying to plan out what we're gonna do today. So Corey, you know, what are you flying today anyway?
The DJI Mavic Air 1.
Mavic Air 1, alright. Yeah, I got my Mavic Air 2, Xeno, and Fimi X8 SE. I'll see which ones or how many I can fly today. What about you, Chris?
I got the Mavic Air 2 and bringing out for the first time the Skydio 2.
Okay.
And gonna try a little trick with that one where it tracks the Mavic Air 2. So hopefully that works out because I've never flown it before. And I brought the Mavic Mini.
All right.
So it's a little bit windy. Don't know if I'll get that up. Maybe see how that one goes. But definitely going to be Mavic Air 2 and Skydio 2, and it's up in the air as to what happens there since I haven't ever flown it before. It's just going to be Skydio 2 with the beacon.
So that'd be fun to see, fun to watch.
Yeah.
All right, cool. How you like your donut? Is good? Coffee's good?
It's gone.
It's gone? Okay. So we're gonna just finish up here, and then we're gonna go down to the launch area and go ahead and do our thing from there. So stay tuned.